सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 4, verse number 37. यथैधांसि समिद्धोऽग्निः भस्मसात् कुरुतेऽर्जुन ज्ञानाग्नि सर्वकर्माणि भस्मसात् कुरुते तथा। Lord Krishna established that Jnana Yajna alone is superior. Jnana Yajna means studying scriptures, Shravanam, removing one's own doubts through Mananam, and contemplating on the teaching for assimilation, Nididhyasanam, is called Jnana Yajna. Study of scriptures systematically under a competent teacher for a length of time. By that study, the seeker of moksha will get the knowledge of who is Jiva, individual, what is this Jagat, and who is Ishvara, and what is the connection between these three: Jiva, Jagat, and Ishvara. Jiva means I, the individual, and the Ishvara, who is the creator, and the Jagat, created by the Lord. All these three and their sambandha, relation. We will get that knowledge through Shravanam, listening. When we are listening, after listening for a length of time, still we get doubts. That doubts can be removed only by Mananam. Repeated listening again and again, asking the questions, we remove our doubts. Still, Jnanam is doubtful. After Shravanam also, that is an information. Finally, I have to say that Jivatma I am is Paramatma. Jnanam, Nishtha will take place. Time, it takes time, lot of time. That assimilation or transformation in my own personality will take place when I do Nididhyasanam, contemplation. Tadeva Chintanam. All the time I have to think, dwell upon the teaching again and again. Again and again, dwell upon the teaching. Put pause. So, Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasanam is called what? Jnana Yajna. Having established this Jnana Yajna superiority, very important Yajna, all Yajnas are inferior only when you compare from this Jnana Yajna standpoint. All other yajnas are not going to give moksha. What they give? They give chitta shuddhi alone. Chitta ekagrata, chitta shuddhi. But they can never remove our self-ignorance. Therefore, Arjuna, even though you have started other yajnas, slowly they have to culminate into jnana yajna. Your puja, vratam, anushtanam, everything has to be culminated. That's why study scriptures. Jnane parisamapyate. In this 37th verse, what is the phalam of this jnana yajna? Lord Krishna says, just as these fuel, the log of wood burned by the fire, converted into ashes totally, similarly this jnana fire, jnana is compared to a fire because it can also make this our karma phalam into ashes. Ash means what? Nothing will remain. Ash is a symbolic. Ash is a symbolic. Nothing will remain. It will converted into ashes. Look into the line. Yatha. First we have to see the subject, Arjuna. Hey Arjuna. Who is the listener here? Arjuna, the student. Who is the teacher? Lord Krishna. Hey Arjuna. Yatha, just as Samiddhaha edhamsi agnihi bhasmasat kurute. Samiddhaha means kindled. Edhamsi means the fire word. Samiddhaha agni means that blazing fire. Samyak idhaha deeptaha, blazing fire, which is burning. Well kindled or well lighted up fire. Samiddhaha agnihi edhamsi bhasmasat kurute. Edhamsi kashtam. Kashtam is firewood. Firewood, fuel. Firewood reduced to ashes. Bhasmasat. Bhasmasat kurute. Reduces into ashes. Tatha. That is drishtanta, example. What is the darshtanta? Here the vishaya. Tatha. In the same way, jnanagnihi, the fire of knowledge, jnanam eva agnihi. Jnanagni hanna, jnanam vere, agni vere nenekka kodadu. Jnanam pole, agni pole jnanam. And the agni ki what all qualities are there, it will burn everything. So our jnanam also will burn our body. No, it will burn our what? Sarva karmani bhasmasat kurute. Bhasmasat kurute is common in fire and jnanam. Okay. There it burns the fuel, firewood. When you come to Darshtanta, original, that jnana fire burns what? Sanchita agami karmani. Sanchita means that accumulated karma in previous janmas. So many janmas we have accumulated that karma. Sanchita means sanchi theriyumillo. Sanchi is a bag in what you put everything, no? Sanchi. Sanchita means that in Sanchita is like a bag. You have collected all the karmas from janma, so much. All karmas are there, mutaya irke. Sanchita karma. So what? Let them be there, all Sanchita karma. No, any Sanchita karma will give you a next body. because you have to exhaust that karma. So that karma to exhaust, you have to get a body. That karma to exhaust in an elephant body, only you can exhaust some karma, suppose. So that karma phalam will come to that jiva, will take the elephant body. No, elephant body is not layak. Some other body, bird's body or crocodile body, some other body. Any which body is suitable for that person, whether to born in India, that animal also, whether to born in India or in other country. If you born as a cow in India, it is different. You will get worshipped by the people. Other countries, Arab countries, so even that karma phalam decided by your previous janma and again karma janma. So therefore jnanam will destroy that sanchita karma. What about agami karma? Sanchita means accumulated karma. Agami means what? At present, when what you are doing, again you are doing saving. Adema fixed deposit madre. Fixed deposit mature aanavadane you will spend that. Here agami karma means savings. And you are doing fresh karma. What that karma you put into again, it will become sanchitam. Earning agami karma, fresh karmas you are performing, they are called agami. Then after that it will become into sanchita, fixed deposit. So agami will become sanchita. So sanchita and agami will be nullified. Sanchita will be destroyed, agami karma will be avoided. How a jnani can avoid agami karma? Tattva bodha. I am repeating again. Agami karma avoided because by giving to others. Punya karma, those who praise jnani, they get jnani's agami karma. Those who censure, criticize the jnani, they get the papa agami of jnani, they get. So distributed. We may get question, how jnani can do papa? There are pancha shunaha, unavoidable certain papa karmas. He will not do. Suppose he has done anything unknowingly, happens, that karma will go to those people who criticize the jnani. Punya karma has to be distributed for those people who worship the jnani. So distributed over. Sanchita is destroyed. Because kartrutvam is not there because of jnanam. I am not karta. I am not the doer. Karta, the doership irundada and the karma phalam varum. Because of jnanam, he owns up that I am atma, akarta, no kartrutvam, no doership. Therefore, that sanchita will not touch him. Padma patra ivambhasa. Sarva karmani, that's why sarva karmani. What about prarabdha means? Prarabdha is exhausted. He will exhaust his prarabdha. That's what one example they give. If any person, I do not know I have mentioned it or not, any person divorces a woman after marriage, according to Shastra, if a person divorces his wife, he will born as a woman for many janmas and he will be divorced by, again by born as a woman and divorced by her husband. When the papa mundudu. So you are not supposed to divorce your wife. Shastra nu sollirukku. Ipo divorce na romba common, easy they are taking. If I divorce a woman, a man, he will be born as a woman, not one janma. Many janmas he will be born as a woman and get divorced by husband. Again and again. These women who are all getting divorced nowadays, they are all சொல்லுமா, you can கணக்கு பண்ணுங்க. So that is Mahapapam actually, according to Shastra. Okay, that is an incidental point to forget. No. So, Sarva karmani bhasmasat, punya karma api, papa karma api, will be destroyed. Next shloka. 38th shloka. Once you get really jnanam, finally you come to know you are pure, you are papa rahitaha, punya papa rahitaha. As long as that ahankara is there, I have punya, I have papa, fear will be there. So once you get jnanam, I am free from punya and papa. For that, a beautiful example we can see. A sandalwood piece, if you put in water for long time, and the sandalwood piece will, that mass will take place on it, no? Pachi. And it smells very badly. Foul smell will come. And that foul smell is the intrinsic nature of the sandalwood or extrinsic? Extrinsic. It came because of association with the water. Really speaking, sandal intrinsic nature is good smell. So that smell, foul smell will go away when you rub it again, that foul smell will go away. Its original smell come out now. Similarly, we are also, all of us, we are like sandalwood. Basically, we are very pure Atma Swarupam. But because of the association with this body-mind complex pachi, this like a pachi, that mass, body, mind, interactions with the world, ahankara, I am the doer, limitations, ego, all these problems is like a mass. That's why you say, I have done lot of papam, I have done lot of this thing, that thing, and all worries will come because of association with the world. So, how to rub here? Angena sandalwood you will rub to the stone. How to rub this mind? Bhagavad Gita class. It is like a stone, you have to rub and rub and rub. Remove that notion. I am a papi. Remove that notion. No papa at all. If I, as a ahankara, I have punya papa. As atma, nothing is there. I have no punya, no papa. That means what now? You want to own up ahankara and claim I am a punyavan, papavan, or I am atma free from punya and papa. Now you decide. See, if you say you are ahankara, body-mind complex, so you own up this body-mind complex, my people, relations, that ahankara is there, the papa, punya, fear will chase you. Disown this body-mind complex, automatically you disown the papa, punya. Then there is no fear of papa, punya. This is called bhasmasad kurute. The dropping the notion, I am the karta, I have papam, I have punyam. Notion dropping alone is called jnana yajna. That is called bhasmam. It will destroy. Now we understand what is ashes. Reduces into ashes. Next, important sloka 38. Nahi jnanena sadrisham pavitramiha vidyate tatsvayam yoga samsiddhaham kalenatmani vindati. Very, very important sloka, often quoted by Shankaracharya. Iha, here in this world, Jnanena sadrisham. Sadrisham means equivalent to. Sadrisham. Jnanena. Equivalent to jnana. Equivalent to self-knowledge. Equivalent to Atma Jnanam, Jnanena. Whenever the Sadrisham equivalent to it comes, it is followed by this Tritiya, Jnanena. That is Tritiya Vibhakti. Sadrisham along with a noun is in the third case. That Jnanam is a noun. That will be in the third case or instrumental case. Tritiya Vibhakti. கொஞ்சம் கிராமர் அப்பப்போ இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணாதான் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகும். மீன்ஸ் ஈக்குவலண்ட் டு நாலேஜ் இன் டேர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் இட்ஸ் pursuit, ability to pursue. Jnanena sadrisham. The equivalent to knowledge in terms of its ability to do that pursuit. Jnanena sadrisham. Nahi vidyate. Pavitram na vidyate. Pavitra means pavanam, purifier. Pavitram, pavanam or purifier. Jnanam alone can purify the person. Rituals, prayers and any other Ganga Snanam or any other Tirtha Yatra, Kashi, Gaya, so many places person, Kashi to Rameshwaram, Rameshwaram to Kashi, Rameshwaram, Kashi to Rameshwaram. The 5 trips, you have to go 5 times. I saw many people traveling like this 5 times. Then they think they will get moksha and postpone this Atma Jnanam. So Shastra says, at least to create moksha kanksha in them, they kept these sadhanas for chitta shuddhi. Kashi to Rameshwaram, Rameshwaram to Kashi will remove your minimum papa, not total. What is total papa? Totally. Ultimate papa is ajnanam. Self-ignorance is called papa. That self-ignorance papa will go away by not to Kashi to Rameshwaram, Rameshwaram to Kashi. That will go away by knowledge. This we have to understand in this life. That only is the purifier. Therefore, all the charities, everything will not remove that self-ignorance. Knowledge only destroy. Suppose people think, I do prayer so that I will be purified. Every day prarthana, for what sake? Purify. No, weekly, full week, do all akramams. One weekly once, that day temple, they will go and do prayer, prayer, prayer. Again start akramam. Again prayer. This type of thinking is there in the people. Even when we are doing prayer, see the logic here. When we are doing the prayer, I am the karta is there. I am the karta doing prayer. That prayer, I am the karta, kartrutvam, doership is there. Once doership is there, what will come? Again karma phalam will come. So knowledge is that which removes the necessity of the prayer also. Knowledge is that which removes the necessity of the prayer. Why? What for I am doing prayer? For purification. So therefore, Jnana Yajna is equal to the greatest prayer. Puriyarda ippo? Very, very difficult to swallow. From The knowledge destroys even from the need of prayer. Jnanam destroy even from the need of the prayer. You need not do any prayer. That need will not come to you. You need not change, go on prayers. This today this prayer, tomorrow that another prayer, day after tomorrow another prayer, because one day one prayer. ஆஞ்சநேயருக்கு ஒரு ப்ரேயரு, குருவாயூரப்பனுக்கு ஒரு ப்ரேயரு, கிருஷ்ணருக்கு ஒரு ப்ரேயரு, இஷ்ட தேவதாத்துக்கு மற்ற ராகு கேத்து அதெல்லாம் அவங்களெல்லாம் இருக்கா, அவங்களுக்கு தனி ப்ரேயரு, முருகருக்கு ஒரு ப்ரேயரு, ஒன்றா ரெண்டா எத்தனை ப்ரேயர்ஸ் பண்ணணும். வை திஸ் நீட்னா பயம், இன்செக்யூரிட்டி, worry about future. Therefore go on doing prayers. And morning prayers, Balavihar full of prayers. Slowly we start with the prayer, then what do we say? The jnanam is that which removes the need of the prayer. In the prayer பண்ணணும்னு தேவையே வராது. அதுதான் ஞானம் பண்ற வேலை. Very difficult to swallow. Whether you swallow or not, this is the fact. Therefore, now the sense of limitation will go away. Pavitram iha vidyate tat swayam yoga samsiddhaha kalena atmani vindati. Because of this purification, the knowledge purifies the person. What is the phalam? The sense of limitation will go away. Tat swayam, tat kalena, that self-knowledge. Tat means here, that self-knowledge which is the purifier than anything else in the world, that self-knowledge, tat kalena, after some time. Kalena means how long it will take. No teacher can say how long it will take. Kalena means as the time passes, it won't take much time. Achirena ni solla porar avare. Kalena means in course of time. Kalena, not long time anartham. Not long time anartham. You don't take many janmas. Here itself, after 5 years or 10 years, or thorough study of Shastra, Kalena. That is why another shloka, Padam, 1/4 of knowledge you get from the teacher. 1/4 Padam Sadbrahmacharinaha. Padam Guruna Prapnoti. Padam anna inda padam kadiyadu. 1/4 Padam, Kalu Bhagam. Another 1/4 from the sharing with the students. What Swamini said today, what is in the notes, again listening, sharing with the other students. That also will help. Anyonyat tat prabodhanam. Then what about another 1/4? Kalena. Kala has got its own course of time. It will do its job. Like healing. Kalena eppadi manaku healing agiradhu ellame, wounds ellame. Similarly, this knowledge also by comes 1/4 come through the Kala. Kalame moolamane varum చెప్పి గురువు కిటే పోహామని ఇరకకూడదు. You have to go to Guru, 1/4 only you will get. But time will decide slowly. Kalena, adi artham. Kalena, he will get what? Yoga samsiddhaha swayam. Swayam yoga samsiddhaha. Swayam means Swayam Kalena, in due course of time, in his own mind. Swayam Atmani, in his own mind, that self-knowledge will take place. Bhagavane guarantee card is giving. Okay, if you don't believe me or not, doesn't matter. But believe Bhagavan. Krishnashtami varaporde next week. Krishnashtami, when it comes, you have to remember these slokas. நமக்கு அப்போ கிருஷ்ணாஷ்டமின்னா முறுக்கு சீடை தான் ஞாபகம் வருது. We remember only முறுக்கு சீடைன்னா. Every class student says, Swami, next week Krishnashtami. What Lord Krishna said, use that. What Bhagavan says here, tat swayam kalena yoga samsiddha vindati. Yoga samsiddha means here karma yogena ashtanga yoga dwara, having prepared oneself. Yoga samsiddha, having prepared oneself through karma yoga. Samskritaha are refined by ashtanga yoga or karma yoga. Mature person, he will become mature person, fit mind, acquired all sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, karma yoga dwara, karma yoga upayah and ashtanga yoga upayah. Two upayas. Ashtanga yoga will give concentration, focusing mind, and karma yoga gives purity of the mind. Yoga samsiddha bhavati kalena jnanam vindati. Vindati means prapnoti. Karma yoga sadhanam dwara, ashtanga yoga sadhana dwara, what will come? Jnanam will come. That jnana will purify. Next shloka 39. Shraddhavan labhate jnanam tatparas sanyatendriyah jnanam labdhva param shantim shanti achirenadhigacchati. So knowledge removes that notion I am imperfect. That is mala nivritti. Mala nivritti will take place. Nivritti is freedom from. Moha nivritti, papa nivritti. Moha means delusion, free from delusion, confusion, that we saw already in the previous class. Papa nivritti also we saw in the previous verse. Then sarva karma phala nivritti also 37th shloka over. So sarva mala nivritti also 38th shloka gone. So all nivrittis, freedom from papa, freedom from impurity, freedom for all these things he will get. Now this is also very important shloka. Whatever he said in the 34th shloka, tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya, all those are external services done to that guru. Here Lord Krishna is saying external namaskara, shashtanga namaskara, pariprashna, questioning the teacher, that alone is not sufficient. You require some more internal sadhanas, qualifications. What are those internal qualifications he is telling here? Very important. If anyone can do namaskar, anyone can just like ask questions. Manasula onnu vechittu velila namaskaram pannalam. Ativinayam dhurta lakshanam ani sonna. Some people go on doing namaskara vilindi paduva. But manasu kulla enna irukana bhagavanukku da theriyum. So they will show outside, and as though they have interest, they show asking so many questions. Oh, the student so interested, she is having. Appuram manni thirupi kaanum next class ku. First class lo vande vada vande kelvi. It shows pariprashna, shashtanga namaskara will not prove you are a qualified student. Lord Krishna says, Arjuna, you require some more qualifications. What are they? Shraddha. Shastra Guru Vakyeshu Shraddha. Vedanta Guru Vakyeshu Shraddha. Shraddha Kidrishi Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu Vishwasaha Shraddha. Engyo Ketnu Madri irukke. Tattva Bodha. What do you mean by Shraddha? What do you mean by faith? Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu Vishwasaha. pramanya buddhi shastreshu. This shastram is a pramanam. What do you mean by pramanam? Prama janakam pramanam. Prama means knowledge. Sanskritanlono Englishlono eludungo illana brahma aidum adu appuram prama means knowledge. Prama karanam pramanam, that through which I get knowledge is called pramanam. Eyes are pramanam. I see the forms and colors, I get that knowledge of the color. Similarly, atma jnanam, that jnanam is a prama. Atma jnanam angara prama will come through the shastra pramanam. Shastram is a pramanam. On that shastra you must have vishwasaha. So the guru is talking the shastra, Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu. On my guru I must have vishwasaha. Tremendous vishwasa, faith. Who is that guru? Who is talking Vedanta Vakya? Not Lokabhiramayana, some Purana Kalakshepam. This is not Purana Kalakshepam. What we are talking here? Vedanta Vakyams. So Vedanta Vakyeshu, Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu. Nana padikka kudadu pustakam. And the Guru sollumbodhu and the Vedanga Vakyam, the Guru statement is right. எப்படி ரைட் ஆக முடியும் சுவாமி? நீங்கள் இதெல்லாம் உலகம் இல்லை பொய்ன்னு சொல்கிறேன். பாடி இஸ் மித்யா, மைண்ட் இஸ் மித்யா, வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் மித்யா, பிரம்மன் இஸ் சத்தியம். விச் இஸ் நாட் விசிபிள் இஸ் சத்தியம், விச் இஸ் விசிபிள் இஸ் ஃபால்ஸ். ஹவு கேன் ஐ பிலீவ்? ஹவு கேன் ஐ டெவலப் ஸ்ரத்தா? Shastra says, therefore you require Shraddha, because what is tangibly is visible, that is mithya, you do not know. What is invisible for these eyes, that is Brahman, that is Satyam, you do not know. Therefore you require Shraddha. Priyarada? Therefore, this is called Vishwasa. I believe. Then belief will be converted into conviction. Nambinal, adila konjam seddama solungle. Keduvadillai. I will never lose. That's why trust is very important. Trust is unavoidable in one's own life. But when I take the trust, I put on trust on one person, it is, I have to face risk also. There is a risk in trust, but the trust is unavoidable. How difficult. I trust my teacher, I trust my guru's statements. At the same time, it is not so easy. Your intellect will hammer. What is that? What is that? Why you are going to that? All this. And sometimes we doubt. இந்த சுவாமினி அம்மா சொல்கிறது எல்லாமே கரெக்டாக அது தோணும். Never question the teacher. Never question the Shastra. Question your intellect. There may be something wrong in my grasping. There may be something weakness in my grasping, understanding. Let me question my own intellect. That is important. Adala many people won't continue the classes because to their intellect and the statements totally contradiction. In the beginning, initial stages. Unless I trust my teacher, I cannot continue the class. Unless I continue the class, I will not get jnanam. அதான் மோட்சம் வரது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். புரியுறதா இப்போ? அந்த ஸ்ரத்தா வரதே கஷ்டம். What Bhagavan says? Shraddhavan. The one whoever is having that shraddha, faith in the teacher, the statement, the teaching, labhate, prapnoti, attains, gets what? Jnanam, knowledge, self-knowledge. Shraddhavan labhate. Not only that, this is the first qualification. Shraddha is internal or external? Internal. It is internal conviction, free feeling. Shraddha is a bhavana. You have to do Shashtanga Namaskara, you have to serve the teacher, and you have to ask the question also. That is not sufficient. You must have Shraddha, which is Antarangam, internal. Not only that, Tatparaha, number 2. Committed. He looks at Shastra. It is a primary responsibility to study the scriptures. Priority to the Saturday class. Gita class, Upanishad class, Sunday, Vivek Chudamani class. All priority first. Then only other things. This is called commitment. Paraha means committed to. Any program comes, no. I have to go to my class. If time permits, other timings I can have any other engagements, but never the class. I can never miss that. This is called commitment. Paraha, committed to. Guru upasanadau abhiyuktaha ityarthaha. Tivra mumukshutvam. Intense desire to study Bhagavad Gita. Some people have Shraddha, but they never recognize the study of scriptures is priority, important. They never committed to this. Some people committed, they come to class but no Shraddha. Very difficult. Shraddha plus Tatparaha. Tatparaha means that knowledge. Committed to that knowledge. Committed to, devoted to. That Shastra, Guru Vedanta Vakya. Not only that, Samyatendriyaha, third qualification. All internal. Samyatendriyaha means whose organs are controlled, whose mind is controlled. So therefore, liberation, moksha is possible. It is a sadhyam, goal. What is sadhanam? Shastram. So Shastram is the sadhanam. To study Shastra I require Shraddha. To study Shastra I require commitment. To study Shastra I require mind control. So Shastra is the sadhanam, pramanam. Guru help, Guru unfold this knowledge, and sadhyam is moksha. So Shastram and liberation, moksha, both are having sadhana sadhya sambandha. Sadhana sadhya sambandha. What is sadhana sadhya sambandha? Sambandha means relation. Sadhana means sadhana and means. Vali, margam kamikradhe. Sadhana. To come here, you use either two-wheeler or bus or car. It is a sadhana to reach this class. So to get moksha, liberation, sadhyam, goal, pramanam is shastram, is sadhanam. So I have to fulfill these qualifications. Sadhana sadhya sambandha will be perfectly work when I have these qualifications. Therefore, without these qualifications, you can read by yourself, you never get self-knowledge. However much you are qualified. See, all medical books are all English language. I am a English literature MA postgraduate in Chile. All medical books can you read and get jnanam? Because you have English qualification. English knowledge theriyum. All books you can read. Can you get that medical knowledge? You won't get. Similarly, I know Vyakaranam, Sanskritam I know. All books I can read. Therefore I get knowledge. You will never get knowledge. You require Guru alone. Guru Dwara eva. This also many people do not know. Guru ketta podumna every week podum. Some students were telling long before, Swamini, you are telling every class sincere, without missing you have to come. You said, நான் அப்பப்போதான் வர முடியாது, அதனால கொஞ்சம் கில்ட்டியாக ஃபீலிங் இருக்குது, எனக்கு வர முடியலன்னு விட்டுட்டான், கிளாஸே விட்டுட்டான். Generally, I say in the class, come regularly, I say. Whenever I say regularly, they are not able to come regularly. Suppose they can tell me, I am not able to come regularly, please, once in a while I will come. Slowly you will become regular. சொன்னது என்னோட கடமை தானே, சொல்லணுமா வேண்டாமா? ஸ்கூலுக்கு எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வரும்போது டீச்சர் என்ன சொல்லணும்? அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் வை ஷீ இஸ் டேக்கிங். உனக்கு விருப்பம் இருந்தால் வா, இல்லைன்னு வேண்டாம், அந்த மாதிரி சொன்ன யார் வருவா? How the student will pass in the exam, you tell me? The two students stop like that. I want to tell them to make them to sincere students, then only they will get the benefit. For their sake, I say. It's okay, once in a while also you come, doesn't matter, I say. So, commitment, how difficult you see people. The sincerity is lacking. So, Bhagavan knows all these problems. Tatparaha, Samyatendriya. Yenna vandu 6 lirundhu 7:30 mani varaikku bombarding the teacher. You are not allowing to move here and there also. Go on talking. This Samyatendriya, you require focusing mind, attention span. Mind you have to focus. Therefore, Samyatendriya. That's why Tatparaha means you have to give up all. Tyajedekam kulasyarthe. For the family's sake, I have to give up my own benefits. Tyajet ekam. ஒருத்தருக்காக 10 பேருக்காக ஃபேமிலியில், if it is good for 10 members, I am ready to sacrifice my own comforts. Tyajet ekam kulasyarthe. Gramasyarthe kulam tyajet. For the sake of a village, gramam, if it is better for the gramam, if one family sacrifice, the whole gramam get benefit, the family has to be ready to sacrifice. Gramasyarthe kulam tyajet. Very beautiful shloka. Tyajedekam kulasyarthe. தெரியுமா இந்த ஸ்லோகம் எல்லாருக்குமே? மாதிரி வை ஆர் நாட் ரைட்டிங்? நான் ஏன் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுறேன்? त्यजेदेकम कुलस्यार्थे ग्रामस्यार्थे कुलम त्यजेत. त्यजेत एकम कुलस्य अर्थे. फॉर द प्रयोजनम फैमिली प्रयोजनम कुलस्यार्थे. ग्रामस्यार्थे कुलम त्यजेत. त्यजेत ने गिव अप. So okay, for one village sacrifice, suppose one city or many cities, many villages get benefit. Janapadasyarthe, gramam janapadasyarthe, gramam tyajet. Give up this your village and go and work from the central government. Serve pandrana, he is going, not serving, going and sitting in the quarters, MP quarters, MLA quarters. Gramam tyajet janapadasyarthe. Atmartham prithivim tyajet. For the mokshathukkaga இந்த உலகமே தியாகம் பண்றதுக்கு தயாரா இருக்கணும். त्यजेदेकं कुलस्यार्थे. That shloka is त्यजेदेकं कुलस्यार्थे ग्रामं ग्रामस्यार्थे कुलं त्यजेत. ग्रामं जनपदस्यार्थे आत्मार्थं पृथिवीं त्यजेत. Atmarthamana, your own moksha sake, you must be ready to sacrifice any blessed thing in this creation. That's why Prahalada sacrificed his father also. நீ வேண்டாப்பா, எனக்கு நாராயண தான் வேணும்னு சொன்னேன். அப்படி இருக்கணும். So what is the benefit if I have these 3 qualifications? Jnanam labdva, you will get jnanam, shraddha, tatparatvam, samyatendriyam, integration of harmony of all sense organs, they are all there, or alertness ani kuda sollalam. Samyatendriya means alertness, alertness of the mind. The Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga helps for that. Yoga Shastra meant for to improve the attention, concentration. You will get jnanam. Jnanam labdva. ஞானம் லப்தம் ஓகேனே, தென் லப்துவா எதுக்கு? ஆஃப்டர் கெட்டிங் ஞானம், ஹேவிங் அட்டைன்ட் ஞானம் த்ரூ தீஸ் குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ், அந்த குரு மறக்கக்கூடாது. தத்வித்தி பிரணிபாத்தேன்னு அதை சேர்த்துக்கணும் இங்கே. தென் பராம் சாந்திம், இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், அண்டர்லைன், பராம் சாந்திம் அச்சிரேண அதிகச்சதி. சூன், அச்சிரேண மீன்ஸ் சூன். He will soon attain. Adhigacchati means he will attain. Sarva Shastra Nyaya Prasiddha Sunishchitaha. This is said in every Shastra firmly. What? Jnanam labdva param shantim. Jnanam vandachana supreme peace you will get. Param shanti vanna shanti anu sonna pohado. Param shanti edukkanna there is a relative peace. Relative shanti. Relative shanti na there are somebody shanti in my relatives and sollakuda. Relative shanti na apekshika shanti, temporary shanti. Our shanti is between two conflicts, one shanti. ஒரு கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட்டுக்கு இன்னொரு கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட்டுக்கு, கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட்னா காம்பலாம் நான் நினைக்காதுங்க, கான்ஃப்ளிக்ட்டுக்கு ஒரு தகராறுக்கு இன்னொரு தகராறுக்கு மிடில் இருக்கிற சாந்தி தான் நம்ம சாந்தி. அது வந்து ஆபேட்சிக சாந்தி. இட் இஸ் நாட் பராம் சாந்தி. பராம் சாந்தி என்ன? அப்சல்யூட் பீஸ், ஆத்யந்திகம். இட் வில் நெவர் கோ. வை என்ன? பிகாஸ் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம், நேச்சர் இஸ் சாந்தஸ்வரூபம். சாந்தம் சிவம் அத்வைதம் சதுர்த்தம் மன்யந்தே ச ஆத்மா ச விக்னேயா. சாந்தம் மாண்டூக்ய, சாந்தஸ்வரூபம் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். So you will get absolute peace. Your peace is not in pieces. You will get eternal peace. Because Atma Swarupam is Shanta Swarupam. Nature of Atma is Shantam. Therefore, no one can take your peace. Shanti. Next shloka. Agnischa Shraddadhanascha Samshayatma Vinashyati Nayam Lokosti na Paraha Na Sukham Samshayatmanaha. All are very important shlokas. Now in this shloka Lord Krishna says contra indications. அது இருந்தா ஞானம் வரும், அது இல்லைன்னா ஞானம் வராது. Who are all not going to get ஞானம்? Opposite of the previous shloka. Ajnaha. Lord Krishna giving 3 reasons, obstacles in the spiritual journey. Which causes a downfall, spiritual downfall. Number 1 is Ajnaha. Number 2 is Ashraddhadhanaha. Number 3 is Samshayatma. Ajnaha means that person who has not having the discriminative knowledge. Atma, Anatma, Viveka, Ajnaha. Not knowing the real Anatma, Atma and unreal Anatma. What is real? What is unreal? He do not know. He is called Ajnaha. I am the Atma, real, it is Jnanam. Other than me, everything is Nama, Rupa, Mithya, unreal, is also a knowledge. So this knowledge, whoever is having, he is called Jnani. If it is not there, he is called Ajnaha. Na Jnaha, Ajnaha. Not knowing. Aviveki ityarthaha. Immature person. Ashraddhadhanaha means Nastikaha. Not having any faith in the Shastra. Ashraddhadhanaha, who has no faith. There Shraddhavan labhate. Then that means what? Ashraddhavan na labhate. Ashraddhadhanaha means the one who is not having faith in the scriptures. And Samshayatma, one who is having doubting nature. Always Samshayam, doubt. Samshayatma, whose mind is with full of doubts. Samshayatma tu papishtaha, worst. Agnaha paravalle, Ashraddhadhanaha okay. In the Samshayatma only papishtaha. Romba mosam anu artham. Samshayatma means samshayaha chittasya, in whose mind there is a doubt. Tasmat samshayaha na kartavyaha. More in the next class. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.